Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to share this video with you today. Let's make some breakfast. Easy, quick way to make breakfast. Simple breakfast in just 8 minutes. Please watch till the end. Alright, so today we're gonna be making some fried eggs. I make them my way, try my way, it is the best. So I'm planning to make some oatmeal. So I'm putting in my milk in the pan, warm it up a little bit, and then throw in my oatmeal for breakfast. And then I'm planning to make some breakfast sausages, some bacon, some eggs, fried eggs, and chapati. My friends from Kenya know what chapatis are. Back home in Uganda, we call it chapati. Yeah. So I have my skillet ready. I'm gonna throw in a little bit of butter, a little bit of olive oil. I don't want butter to, burn and create some smoke in the house. I hear the noise when, the smoke comes. So there we go. You gotta watch me till the end. I tried to be explaining, but then my daughter had a TV on, a lot of background noise. I had to take that out and just do a voiceover. All right, let's make breakfast together. It's easy, huh? Okay. Most people kind of make their eggs in like a bowl and then put it in. That consumes a lot of my time. I gotta get ready for church. It's Sunday morning. I do what I gotta do and it comes out perfect. Okay, let's see what's going on. So I have to add in a little bit of salt to test. We all have different test buds. I love my fried eggs to have black pepper. So I throw in a pinch of black pepper. At the same time, women, we do a lot of things at the same time. I have to make my oatmeal. Gotta make it ready as well. At the same time, I'm cooking my breakfast sausages. Yep. Mix everything together. Make sure you're cooking it on medium heat so it doesn't, pour out. For my friends who like the sun side up, this would be like ready for a sun side up. I'm not a fan. I like my eggs well done. Yeah. But that's my fake way of having a sun side up. Yeah, but it gotta be ready, fully ready. Yeah, my oatmeal almost poured out. I had to be on top of it. Put the heat on the lowest. Make sure I check on my eggs. Coming up. It looks nice and yellow. It smells good. So I added in a little bit of Parmesan cheese just for test. You don't have to if you don't want it, but you know, I don't use it a lot. So my breakfast is almost ready. See guys, it's less than 10 minutes. My sausages are ready, my oatmeal is ready, my eggs are ready. Okay, we're almost there. We're almost having breakfast. And then, yeah, I wanted to make some little bit of bacon for my breakfast. I like it crispy. Some people like it soft, but I go for this crispy bacon. So after boiling my sausages, I decided to, fry them a little bit, you know. But you could just have them boiled. They already taste good. You could bake them. This is my quickest route. I choose to, boil them once they're ready. Fry them a little bit, Alright, keep following Mrs. Mutawi's kitchen. I gave a lot of tips for cooking, DIY. You don't have to be a professional to make good, tasty food.